Hey everybody, I wanted to take a minute today and talk about fresh, living, superfood desserts with no added sugar. So these are so easy and so fresh, and I believe they taste 1,000 times better than stuff that's been cooked and sugared and processed and artificialized. So let's just talk about, these are some of my favorite ingredients that can be mixed and matched and with endless variations. So here I've got some fruit and stuff from my fridge. And I've got banana and kiwi. So you can just hold it up. Orange and apple, and there's a pear right here. These are really fun. These are sliced almonds that are really pretty to put on, and unsweetened coconut flakes, pecans that can be broken up or not. Some seasonings you can add are, there's endless kind of seasonings, but these are just some to get you started and encourage you to experiment and create. And I've got cinnamon here, cocoa powder. I didn't bring my nutmeg out, I think, but nutmeg is a fun one. I've also got, papayas, yummy, whatever fruits are in season, pineapples. There's just so many different ways you can put them together. A simple thing that I just do a lot is, for example, I'll just take some of this papaya and cut it into pieces, it's probably smaller, and put some unsweetened coconut on it and some cacao nibs. So cacao nibs are the cocoa bean that's been crushed into little bits, and they're kind of sweet. There's no sugar added. So these are some fun ideas that you can make. This is a dessert that I made today. It's sweet to me. It satisfies my sweet tooth, and I love it. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I would love if you would subscribe and like and share, and hugs and kisses. Thank you.